live TV is a joy. Well, in order to serve you guys better, the Gleaner Jamaica Gleaner Company, what kind of stuff that on the prompter? They've embarked on a new exercise that's going to leave customers feeling very satisfied. And to give us the deets, we have this lady, Terry Carell Reed, sales manager and brand manager of Gleaner Online. She's always working. And Rainford Wint, who is the sales manager of the Business Development and Marketing Division. Am I right?
Hi, Simsima.
Company Limited.
My
Good
rap
evening.
star. I mean, the last time I saw you, we were like rapping against Neville and Bambino.
We beat them bad.
Morning, guys.
We beat them bad. You know, Ted?
Not really. God is
Yesterday
good.
I saw you talking about augmented reality of women. You were talking about a star story. Yes.
Yeah.
Where women are augmenting themselves.
And it was a debate. Sorry, guys, just very quickly. The Star did a story about these certain types of panties that are being worn by women. And the question I polled was, is it fair to men that when they see a woman that they find, appealing, but then by the time she takes off the lashes, she rub off the eyebrow, she removes the push-up bra, the garter, the waist train, is it fair? And it's interesting to see the comments that people have on
I think
on
that
Twitter.
could be a girl talk for another time, because that's very, very interesting. You agree, Rainford?
Yes.
So that's a version of augmented reality, but we're talking about a different kind of augmented reality this morning, which is a new product that you guys are offering. Terry, give me a little bit of background about it, and then we go to Rainford, because I hear this is his baby.
Right, this is his project.
Yes.
So as augmented reality might suggest, it is simply when we superimpose, using technology, a different sort of content. So for example, what we're seeing is, advertisers, but even readers, they want enhanced experiences. So for example, a Century 21 ad is placed in the Gleaner saying, hey, opening up this fabulous new complex, opening house is such and such a date. How cool would it be that you see at the bottom of the page, scan here to get a virtual tour of the house?
Fantastic.
What do you mean? But
Yeah,
this is print.
Yeah.
But if you use your phone using a free app, and you scan that page, all of a sudden you might see Simone say, welcome to the opening. I know you see the model home.
And you're there.
So you're there. You actually get to
virtually
see
there.
what this complex looks like. So it's basically taking print and having it marry the digital world. So you're getting the best of both.
And this is what you guys are now.
We've already started.
What? When did you start, Rainford, and how's it been going?
We started in about February. It is a product that is still...
No, we started years ago. Remember Sean Paul launched his album?
Oh, yes, we did that years ago. But since I came on to business development,
yes,
we started in about February, and we've been testing it, and we're now a little bit more comfortable with it in terms of the technology, because it is really an emerging technology. And it is even more so for us in Jamaica, because we are not 89% covered by internet in Jamaica. We're still
yes,
in front.
Yes, right.
So we have made sure that we have taken our time to ensure that it works and it works properly.
And it's done by in-house.
And it's all done in-house.
Digitized and done in-house by the Gleaner Online.
Yeah. So that is what we're doing now. And one of the reasons we made a decision is simply this. Even though we are not more than about 43% covered by internet in Jamaica, we do have about 110% internet, phone subscription.
Yes, and the smartphones.
Smartphones, about 1 million or more.
Yes.
Just one provider has over 1 million smartphone subscribers. So we think now is the time. We may not be able to say to you, boy, we have 500,000 subscribers or persons who have downloaded the thing, but it is something that we need to get on board now. And then as we develop it and as we advertise and more advertisers come on board, then we start seeing the people. Now we can start seeing the benefit, because the real benefit for this is when somebody actually activates this feature on their phone, they've made some sort of decision to purchase.
Absolutely.
So it's really actually not just I look at your ad,
you just need
but
to
I'm interested.
Or if you have a concert and you're saying your ad says get your early bird tickets now, scan.
Yeah.
If somebody scans, they can automatically go right and buy and purchase there.
Yeah.
But not just advertisers, because the Gleaner, our core product is news and content. So imagine we have an automotive writer who just wrote, for example, last week about the new 2017 Suzuki Baleno. We can almost take a video of that Baleno and say, hey, to actually look at these articles or, to get an enhanced experience, you can do that. So
you've done it. You've done it with your cookbook?
Yeah.
Zymaka sponsorship, you did it?
Right. We sponsored Zymaka as a group, and so we actually placed the full page ad, and we told people, scan the page. And so persons actually saw the 30-second ad. So basically, you're enhancing and you're giving people more of a feel of what it is you are offering or selling.
Yeah, this is added value.
Added value,
it's added
for
value,
sure.
and it's also added information, because theoretically, I mean, in real terms, you do an ad in the paper and it's a print. But what more do I need to know about your product? With AR, I can literally say from the print product, I can take you anywhere at all. I can take you to a purchase at StereoCell. I can
Correct.
take you to a demonstration at StereoCell. One of the things we're trying to do also this as we go forward is that we want to also look at three-dimensional technology. What we're saying to you is this. I can do an ad for you in the paper, and if somebody uses their AR product, they can look at the paper and turn it this way, and they see one side of the house, they turn it this way, they see the top of the house, the back of the house. We're not there yet.
We actually wanted
Sound
to,
like
so
we're
want to
getting
go.
there.
we
Yeah.
wanted to digitize like a Smile Jamaica ad and then have like, see, you know,
One of your
the great
dancing.
Devil Bell like doing his thing, but
You
yeah,
know,
I
that's
didn't,
easy
I
to
didn't
do.
know,
And
yeah.
Simone,
Simone,
have to say
well,
that.
you're not bad yourself
So
in the
just like
dancing,
maybe
don't worry,
not.
you're good.
What does you're not bad yourself mean,
I said,
Rainford?
in compared to Neville, you're actually better.
Oh, that's what I want to hear. No, we're talking.
But we actually did bring the cookbook. I don't even know because it's going to be
Wi-Fi.
I
hard.
wanted to see if we had an example, but
Yeah.
Rainford has his phone, but I don't know if we'll be able to pick it up
Yeah,
there.
because the Wi-Fi seems to be
Yes.
giving us a little bit of
Yes.
support. That's one of the key we need to say
Spotting.
to you. Wi-Fi is important. It is not an offline experience. It is something that you have to have Wi-Fi and proper Wi-Fi to work with. You also need to have proper lighting. But as time goes by and we get
Refine this
more
a
and
little
more
more.
involved and things, we will be developing
How
a really
expensive
strong.
is it? Because it sounds like a fantastic
For an
experience.
advertiser, we have said to them, it costs, for instance, the starting price is maybe like $9,000 in addition to your ad. And that's
9,000
9,000
Jamaican?
Jamaican, yeah.
Really?
Yes.
You think it's
Because-
9,000 US? Mr.
When
Harry would love to hear
it
that.
sounds very fancy schmancy, but that's a good thing about
It is.
technology too. It makes things a
And as a
little
matter of
cheaper
fact,
as time goes
just
on.
if you want to see an example, tomorrow we'll be doing a print on our page where you can take out your phone, and I think we need to also demonstrate. I mean, at least the viewers know. Go to your app store,
It's free.
look for LAYAR,
Layer.
download it for free, and then as soon as you've downloaded it, anywhere you see that layer icon in an ad, in
And
a,
it says scan
in an
page. It
article,
actually is instructive.
you scan and you get that augmented
So you have
experience.
pages in the paper now that we can scan if
We have
if
pages.
we download
We
layer?
had pages no, but since we're launching today, we're going to do our first print tomorrow morning.
Okay.
So
So we
tomorrow,
need to get the layer.
everybody go and
Right.
get layer.
So,
Sure.
for example, this cookbook that we did for the Easter, which
Yeah.
is still available by the Gleaner, in case you guys know
Yeah.
the Gleaner Library, you could go through the different pages and you'd realize this page
Yes,
doesn't have
I see it.
AR,
Yes.
but this one has
Yes,
AR.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So whenever anyone sees that icon, they know, okay, there's extra interactive content
Okay.
on this page.
I see.
And I'm really proud, and I just want to take the opportunity to say thanks to Dakori,
Mm-hmm.
as well as,
Smith.
you know, the Gleaner
Dakori
Online
Smith, yeah.
department, because those guys are doing
I was just going to say
quite a lot
to
of
you,
things.
Terry, your unit doesn't seem very big, but them Talawa bad.
No, my
bad.
online
yes,
unit
yes,
is
yes,
extremely
yes,
small,
yes.
but let me tell you, they
the
pack a
icon you're
punch. So
looking for.
that's the
set of-
icon. So whenever you see that in an ad, or for example, you see it within content, within an article,
Scan.
download
That's
the
what it
app
says to
very
scan, yeah.
quickly, scan, and then you will see something added.
LAYAR.
LAYAR.
Okay, and
Augmented
advertisers, if you
reality.
want to experience this feature and enhance your ad, then just call Terry or call Rainford and you're good to go. Terry's always on social media. You can link her there.
And on TV, Jay.
While you're talking to her about augmented reality.
Right,
and
they were
other
just reading
forms
my
as
jacket
well.
too with RJR
I
and
know.
JBC.
Okay.
You never said that,
This is
Rainford?
Gleaner print. This
All
is
right.
real.
We're going to go. Thank you very much, guys. So you launched today.
Augmented
Good luck with
reality.
that.
Thank
And
you.
we'll follow up with, thank you very much for joining us. Terry
Bye,
Calder-Reid,
guys.
Sales and Brand
It was our
Manager of
pleasure.
Gleaner Online, and Rainford Wind, Sales Manager of the Business Development and Marketing Division of the Gleaner Company Limited. And rap star, she's a bad rap star.